All right, welcome back with Math with Mrs. T. Here we go. You've got your week 4 and you've got Thursday in front of you. We are ready to go. Week 4, Thursday. All right, number 1 says use substitution to match these solutions to their equations. So they give you these solutions, which are just the answers, and the answers that they give you are listed here. It says 1, 2, 3, and 4. So those are our options. Okay? All right, take a look at the first one. 8 minus A equals 5. What could A possibly be? Well, could it be 1? 8 minus 1 is 7, so that doesn't work. Could it be 2? 8 minus 2 is 6. That doesn't work. 8 minus 3, oh, that works. That's 5. So that one's done. Okay? Do the next one. 17 minus 1 equals 13? No. 17 minus 2 equals 13? No. 17 minus 4, yep, that equals 13, I'm sorry. 17 minus 4 equals 13. That one's done. All right. 13 minus 1 equals 11? No. 13 minus 2, yep, equals 11. So those are your answers. Okay? Good job. All right, number 2 says, which expression is equal to h times 3? Well, look, if they want multiplication, you can already get rid of that, and you can already get rid of that, because that's subtraction and that's addition, so you know right away those don't work. All right, so get rid of the ones that you know don't work. All right, now you got to figure out between A and B which ones work. Well, let's see here. If this is h times h times h, would that be h times 3? I don't know. What if I have 3 times 3 times 3? Wouldn't that be 3 cubed? That's not that. So it's not that. 3h, well, Mrs. Townsley said there's invisible math there. 3 times h is the same thing as h times 3, right? So anytime you have this variable next to a number, all right, which is actually the coefficient, there's always invisible math there, which is multiplication. So the answer is, yes, B. Good job. All right, number 3. Monthly rainfall. It looks like we've got rainfall of 1 inch, 2 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, 8 inches, and 6 inches, okay? And they want to know what the mean is, what the mode is, what the median is, and what the range is. All right. Well, let's start with an easy one. Here's mode. This is the most popular, most liked. Okay? Most popular, most liked. So which number here is most liked or most popular? Well, look, 4 is, because it happens twice. So 4 is your range. 4 is your mode. 4 is your mode. Now your range is your highest piece of data minus your lowest. So the highest piece of data, or your greatest number, is 8. Your lowest is 1. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. So your range is 7. So your highest piece of data minus your lowest. All right. Now your mean is your average. Okay. Your mean is your average. So to find your average, you need to add everything together, all these pieces of data together, and divide by the number of data that you have. So if we add all these up, so 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7, plus 4 more is 11, there's 14, 22, 28, okay? So let's double check. I'm saying 28, let's double check, make sure I'm right. 1 and 2 is 3, 4 and 4 is 8, 3 and 8 is 11, and then you have 6, so we'll add that, that's 17. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Yep, so we have 28. So the mean, 28 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of data. So all I did is took the data, I added all these up, and I came up with 28. Divided by 7, because that's the number, or the number of data we have. Number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divided by 7, and I came up with 4. So the mean is 4. Okay? Now your median is the middle number, but in order to do or find your middle number, you have to put all these in order. Okay? So they're not in order yet. So let's see here. Maybe I can mark down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then what? 6 and then 8? Yep, they're all in order. Do you see how I put these in order? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, and 8? Because these are not in order. You got to put them in order. And then to find your median, you want to find the middle number, so you just start crossing off the top and the bottom, top and the bottom, top and the bottom, and look, the middle number is 4. Okay, so your middle number is 4. So that's how you work through those. You got the mean, the mode, the median, and the range. Okay, if you need to review that again, make sure you rewind it and look at it. Okay, look at number 4. What does each interval represent on the x-axis of the histogram? All right, so the x-axis, let me make this a little bigger so you guys can see it. All right, the x-axis is the axis that goes left to right. This is your x, all right? So what does each interval represent on the x-axis? Well, look, ages. Okay. Now, if they ask what was on the y is up here, and that would be the frequency, okay? But for the x, it's the ages. X is the ages, okay? How many people are at the park? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. So it looks like there were 6 people at the age of 1 to 10. There were 5 people for that age. There's 1 person here, 3 there, and then 2 there, all right? So how many people are at the park? I don't know. Let's see here. 6 plus 5 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. They found 17 people at the park, okay? All right, guys, have a great day. See ya.